Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily connect your Xiaomi Mi Band with your iPhone. So for doing this you just need to unlock your iPhone and just go to App Store, and in App Store you need to find application Mi Fit. So just find it and click on Get. So after it will successfully download and install on your mobile phone, you will see here open, so just click on open and it will open your application. So you need to sign into your account or sign up account if you haven't any account. So after you sign into your account, you will see something like I see now. So now it's syncing. Here you can see that it load our Xiaomi Mi Band. So here you can see my device. So it successfully find my device, and so here you can see it. That on my device you can see that it shows 90% of battery, and here you can see 90% of battery. That means that it successfully connect this device to my iPhone and everything working. So now it's syncing all info to my iPhone. We need to wait some time after it will load. So just click on pair. And also you can see that it successfully changed our time. So here you can see the date, that everything working, and it successfully synchronized our Xiaomi Mi Band with our iPhone. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.